Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In today's work, concave mirror, I have placed the object between C and F. That means the object distance is greater than the focal length and less than the twice of the focal length. So I am going to draw the image with respect to it. First thing, as usual, we are going to draw this line, the line parallel to the principal axis, and that line should be reflected through the focal point. Go this way. So it's passing through the focal point. The second line is very, very important. The second line, I am sending the line from C through the head of the object. So this line, you know that one, after touching the optical axis, it will return in the same direction. It will not change its direction, it will return in the same direction. So these two lines are meeting here. Let's little extend the principal axis, otherwise fine. So here the image is created. So if you draw the arrows, here the arrow, this way, this way. In the second line, that is, I'm giving a different color, my children. If you give a different color, you can see them separately. Okay. Right. So this line, here the arrow, first of all, the line is going towards the mirror. So line should be this way. Then it is returning in this manner, should be this way. Then it continues in this manner, so it goes this way. Finally they make the image. So the final appearance should be this way. You have to write the image properties, including the image distance. The title for this is when the object is located at a distance greater than the focal length and less than the twice of the focal length. The same diagram can be, the same image position can be drawn in another way. I will now show you that. You can draw, you have to draw both the diagrams in exam paper. You can choose one to draw. Okay, you can choose one to draw of your, when you are asked to draw by your own. But in exam paper, when you are given, anyway it is given, you should be able to identify. That's why I'm giving both the diagrams to draw. So draw both the diagrams and finally write the image properties. Doesn't matter whether you write it for this diagram and the following diagram. Anyway, it is okay. The second one is, I am removing the line through C. Let's remove it. Let's remove the image also. As usual, you are drawing the first one, no problem. Second one, start from the head of it, send it through the focal point until it touches the optical axis. Then the line is going parallel. Okay, so now the two are meeting here. I am completing the image now. Okay, so let's draw the line. Remember, this line should exactly touch the optical axis, otherwise it's wrong. If you will not get the correct diagram. So this is going to be the second diagram. So both will give you the same type of image. So you have to draw in two ways, that's all. Both will give you the same type of image. Don't forget to write the properties of the image. Okay, if you write it for one, that is enough. No need to write for two times. I'll catch you tomorrow, inshallah, in another diagram of concave mirror. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.